This single-level contemporary home is situated on an expansive 1,202 square metre allotment in a quiet cul-de-sac in the much sought-after Pottsville village. This spacious home boasts an oversized 4-car garage, sure to impress those seeking that extra space with options galore. The property features 4 generous-sized bedrooms, all with built-ins. There's also a sizable study which could be easily used as a 5th bedroom. The massive open-plan living area is fully tiled and includes an oversized, fully equipped kitchen. The living area opens out to a huge, secluded covered entertaining area and north-facing deck, overlooking a fully fenced landscaped yard backing onto native reserve land. Here is a great opportunity to secure a sizable parcel of land and spacious home in a superb, private, child-friendly location.